So here we have a very nice sum for you to understand and do. Alright. So this is 9 upon 7 minus 2 root 10 under root. Alright. So guys, just follow me as I go. For 9, 3 square, and then we have 5 plus 2 for 7, and 2 root 10 is just being copied here. Next step is to convert this into an identity. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright. So we have 3 square already here. Root 5 whole square plus 2 root whole square minus 2 root 5 and root 2. Alright. Thus we have a square plus b square minus 2ab, which means here we can write root 5 minus root 2 whole square and then the bigger square root. Alright. So we have here now 3 over root 5 minus root 2, and entire thing goes into one large bracket, that is square, and then we have the square root. Got it? Now we'll be able to bring them out. Got it? The next step would be to rationalize the denominator. So 3 root 5 minus 2. So we usually take the reverse sign to rationalize. So we will have root 5 plus root 2 here, and over 2 we will have root 5 plus root 2. Got it? So a minus b, a plus b. Okay, that reminds us of a square minus b square. Okay, so 3 root 5 plus root 2 in bracket, and here we have root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square, which is equal to 3 root 5 plus root 2, and below we have 5 minus 2. Got it? So let me just fit in here. Alright. So we'll have 3 here, 3 below, and in bracket root 5 plus root 2. Got it? 3 gets cancelled, so our final answer is root 5 plus root 2. Okay guys, so this is how it is. So if you still have any problems, do ask me in the comment section, children. So have a nice time. Thank you so much, and if you like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.